Hello students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and myself Prabhakar Acharya. Students, we have started chapter number 14th of entire Sanskrit SSC board. Chapter name is Pratipadam Sanskritam, and till now we have seen 5 videos. Now, this is the last video related to explanation. After that, one more video will come that will be based on the exercise. So once again, I ask you to be ready with your pencil to mark important words, underline sandhi words, samas word, and important visheshan etc. words, which will help you to find answers very easily. So are you ready? So let's start. In this video, the dialogues will be covered, which are highlighted here. You can see this page and the next page also, the remaining part. First we'll see reading, then we'll see sandhis and samas, if there will be any twant, levant, avyay, and after that we'll see meanings as well as translation. So I hope you are ready. So pay attention of each and every word. First character is Lena, and there is in this chapter there is conversation going on about the Sanskrit subject, and it is discussion going on what if I get, what field will be suitable for me if I learn Sanskrit. अगर मैं संस्कृत स्टडी करता हूँ तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ इन फ्यूचर. सपोज आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू संस्कृत ओनली, देन मैं क्या बनूंगा. सो दैट इज द मेन फैक्टर, और उसके रिलेटेड यहाँ पे डिस्कशन चल रहा है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट रीडिंग. फर्स्ट इज लीना. अहम अपि भाषाशास्त्रम अधीत्य बेंगलुरु इत्यत्र सॉफ्टवेयर क्षेत्रे भारतीय भाषा विश्लेषिका रूपेण कार्यं करोमि. संस्कृतस्य ज्ञानम् आधुनिक भारतीय भाषाणां विश्लेषणे अतीव सहायकरं भवति इति मे अनुभवः. तनुजा. पार्श्वनिवेदनम् इति मे व्यवसायः. संस्कृत श्लोकादीनां पठनेन शब्दोच्चारणस्य उत्तमः अभ्यासः भवति. तेन अभिनये निवेदने च प्रभावः वर्धते. साम्प्रतं कलाक्षेत्रे कार्यरताः अस्मासु केचन भरतमुनेः नाट्यशास्त्रस्य अध्ययनं कुर्वन्ति. समीरा. भोः, भारतीयविद्यायाः नाम भारतीयतत्त्वज्ञान, योगशास्त्र, इतिहास, स्थापत्यादिशास्त्राणाम् अध्ययनाय विदेशेष्वपि नैके जनाः उत्सुकाः. तदर्थं काश्चन दूरचित्रवाहिन्यः अपि सन्ति. तत्र संस्कृततज्ज्ञानाम् आवश्यकता वर्तते. मम सुहृद् आशयसम्पादकरूपेण तत्र कार्यरतः. महोदया, अस्माभिः संस्कृतस्य अध्ययनं शालायां कृतं, परं तस्य अनेन प्रकारेण उपयोजनं भवेदिति अस्माभिः नैव चिन्तितं. महोदय, सत्यमेव. लीना. यस्मिन् कस्मिन्नपि क्षेत्रे वयं वृत्त्यर्थं कार्यरताः स्यां तत्र संस्कृतज्ञानम् अस्मत्कृते विशेषार्हता भवति. So it was reading. Now see the important words and underline each and every word. So आपको ज़्यादा एफर्ट नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा. इफ़ you have underlined, if you have circled the important words, simply you can find the visheshan and twant, levant, avyay, sandhi words, etc. So Lena. First word is aham api, that is sandhi word. Aham adhik api. You can this is the first sandhi. Then adhitya is levant avyay. Adhi is upsarg and e is actually the original root. It belongs to second class. Adadi गण से बिलोंग करता है. अति, अत्ता, अदंती जो फॉर्म होता है, दैट इज फर्स्ट वर्ड. सो इट बिलोंग्स टू सेकेंड क्लास एंड इट इज कॉल्ड लेवंत अव्यय. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज मे. आई जस्ट highlighted this word because asmad is original word and may is this is षष्ठी एकवचन form. mama may optional form है ये may. After that sandhi word is here. समास word is शब्दानाम उच्चारणम. This समास word Shabdanam Uchcharanam. It is Shashti Tatpurus Samas. Then Karyarata is also Saptami Tatpurus Samas, Karye Rataha. Sorry, I told you Shabdanam Uchcharanam Saptami, but it is Shashti Tatpurus Samas. Shabdanam Uchcharanam Shashti Tatpurus Samas hai, and Karyarata is Saptami because second part is Rataha and it requires Saptami Vyakti. जब भी Rata आएगा, so simply take a noun in Saptami. So that's why it is Karye Rata, engrossed in the work, Saptami Tatpurus Samas. Then Sandhi is here, Videsheshu Adhik Api. Videsheshu Adhik Api. It is Swar Sandhi type and it is called Yoni Sandhi. Videsh U followed by A. So ये वो में convert हो गया. So Yoni Sandhi Videsheshu Api. Then again Samaswar. Tadartham is Samaswar. तो तस्मै इति चतुर्थी तत्पुरुष समास. अर्थम है लास्ट में एज ए सफिक्स. सो ये चतुर्थी तत्पुरुष समास का फॉर्म है. Now, once again, Sandhi. Here you can see Kaschana. Actually, this uncertain pronoun, Anishchayavachak Sarvanam, which is made by the combination, by the joining Kim and Chan Chit. ये दो वर्ड को ज्वाइन करने से बनता है. Chan and Chit are indeclinable and Kim is pronoun प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम. तो इसको ज्वाइन करने से बनता है. तो it is Kaschana is Kaha addiction. This is. Next part is, next Sandhi is, yes, Bhavet Adhikiti. Bhavet is Vidhiling Lakar from Pratham Purush Ek Vachan, potential mood which is said. So Bhavet Adhikiti. Again, Satyam Adhik Eva. Satyam Adhik Eva. This is the next Sandhi. And the last Sandhi is Yas Kasmin Adhik Api. So Kasmin Adhik Api, it is Vyanjan Sandhi part because no is duplicated, means no is repeated. दो बार लिखा गया because it is followed by a. So ये व्यंजन संधि का रूल है. Now come to Samas word. Vrutyartham. Again Artham is added in Vrutti Shab. So it is Chaturthi Tatpurus Samas. Vrutte or Vrittaye, Chaturthi Tatpurus Samas. Then Sanskrita Jnanam. Sanskrita Jnanam. Sanskritasya Jnanam. This is Shashti Tatpurus Samas. Vishesharha is Karmadharaya Samas. This I am writing, so just note down also. यहाँ पे समास का नाम लिखो. First is Shashti. Tatpurush Samas. Shashti Tatpurush, and this one is Karmadharaya Samas. Karmadharaya. So these are samas. So now come to meanings. Ahamapi. Lina is telling ahamapi means I too, I also. Bhasha Shastram means language science, which is called also in other word linguistic or language science. Adhitya, that means having studied Bangalore ityatra, here in Bangalore. Software क्षेत्र in software field भारतीय भाषा विश्लेषिका रूपेण कार्यं करोमि. Working as a Indian language analyst. भारतीय means Indian, भाषा means language, विश्लेषिका रूपेण means analyst. So Indian language analyst कार्यं करोमि, I am working. संस्कृतस्य ज्ञानम, the knowledge of Sanskrit. आधुनिक भारतीय भाषाणां विश्लेषणे अतीव सहायकरं भवति. आधुनिक मीन्स मॉडर्न, भारतीय भाषाणां इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस, विश्लेषणे मीन्स एनालाइजिंग, अतीव सहायकरम मीन्स एक्सट्रीमली बेनिफिशियल. यू कैन सी द मीनिंग. is extremely beneficial in the process of critically analyzing Indian languages. Bhavati iti me anubhava. This is my personal experience. Me means my, anubhava means experience. Then Tanuja. Tanuja is telling Pashu Nivedanam iti me vyavasaya. Just see the sector, in which sector or what field Tanuja is working. So this is Pashu Nivedanam. Pashu Nivedanam means me vyavasaya, my profession. Me vyavasaya means my profession is backstage प्रोग्रामिंग एंकरिंग. सो बैक स्टेज प्रोग्रामिंग एंकरिंग. पास्ट निवेदनम का होता है एंकरिंग. बैक स्टेज एंकरिंग इज माई प्रोफेशन. तनुजा का ये व्यवसाय है. संस्कृत श्लोकादीनां पठनेन बाय practicing, by learning Sanskrit slokas, by studying Sanskrit slokas, शब्दोच्चारणस्य उत्तमः अभ्यासः भवति. शब्दोच्चारणस्य means pronunciation of the शब्दोच्चारणस्य means pronunciation of the words. उत्तमः अभ्यासः means excellent practice bhavati becomes. So perfect practice can be done by pronunciation, by practicing Sanskrit slokas, by learning Sanskrit slokas. Tena, ten means by this is tritiya ekvachan. Sah to te tam to tan tena. This tritiya ekvachan. Abhinaye nivedane cha. Abhinaya means in acting. Nivedana means as well as in anchoring. Prabhava vardhate. Prabhava means impact. Vardhate means increases. So its meaning is, you can see, our comparing and acting becomes quite impressive by this. Sampratam means presently and nowadays. Kalakshetre means in art sector, in art field. Karyarataha, working. Asmasu kechan, asmasu means among us, kechan means some among us. Bharat Munehe Natya Shastrasya Adhenam. Bharat Munehe means of Bharat Muni, that is, says Bharat, we can say. Natya Shastra is, that is called dramaturgy. Dramaturgy is Natya Shastra. Adhenam Kurvanti are studying. So some of us are studying Natya Shastra written by Bharat Muni, that is the magnum opus on dramaturgy, who are working in the art field. Then Samir is telling, Bhoho means O, Bharatiya Vidyayaha, Indology. Bharatiya Vidyayaha means the Indian knowledge also we can say, or Indology. Nama means Bharatiya Tattva Gyan, means Indian philosophy. Yoga Shastra means yogic science. Itihas means history. Sthapatyadi Shastranam means architectural science. Adhyanaya for study. Videsheshu api naike janaha utsuka. Videsheshu means in abroad, in foreign countries also. Naike janaha, many people. Utsuka means are eager, curious. So many people in abroad, in foreign countries are also curious to study Indology, that means Indian philosophies, yogic science, history and architectural science. Tadartham, for that, Kaschan Dura Chitravahinya api santi. There are Kaschan is also Sandhi word that I didn't show you this word, Kaschan. So for that, Dura Chitravahinya means television channels api santi are also there. Means suppose because they could not travel in India, they could not come in India, so that's why for them there are some TV channels. Tatra, there Sanskritajnanam. Sanskritajnanam means the Sanskrit experts avashyakta vartate. Means for that the Sanskrit experts are required. So you can see that these are the fields. यहाँ पे भी आपको काम मिल सकता है if you are learning Sanskrit. If you are continuing Sanskrit and learning properly, तो आप इस फील्ड में, इस सेक्टर में काम कर सकते हो. मम सुहृद, my friend, आशा संपादक रूपेण तत्ते कार्यरतः. My friend Suhid means friend, Mitram, Asha Sampadak Rupan means content editor, Tatra Karyata are working there. My friend is working there as a content editor. Yes, ka meaning hai. Now see the next, Mahodaya. Then the lady is telling, Asmabhi, by all of us, Sanskritasya Adhyanam, learning Sanskrit language, Shalayam Kritam, was done. So Sanskrit was learned by all of us in school education. Param, but tasya means of it, anena prakarena, by this way, upayojanam bhavet, upayojanam is useful or utility, bhavet would be, iti asmabhi naiv chinditam. So it was not thought by us, never dreamt it would benefit us in such way. So that lady said, then Mahodaya means really so. That gentleman said that, really so? Lina, Yasmin kasmin api means in whichever field kshetre vayam vrityartham, we for our livelihood karyarataha means working, syam, we, in whichever field we are working, we are engrossed in working for our livelihood. Tatra, there, Sanskrit Jnanam means the knowledge of Sanskrit. Asmat krite, for all of us, Vishesharhata. Vishesharhata means special qualification. Vishesharhata ka meaning is special qualification. Bhavati means would be. So it is the translation. It is the meaning of the words. I show you translation together. Now see, मैं यहाँ पे मार्क करके रखा हूँ और आपको बता देता हूँ. ट्रांसलेशन हमें समझना चाहिए. इफ़ यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड द चैप्टर, आपको ट्रांसलेशन समझ में आना चाहिए, तभी आप उस चैप्टर को समझ पाओगे. देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू राइट माध्यम भाषा, दैट मीन्स आंसर इन इंग्लिश, और इसके कोई भी आंसर्स. सो वंस अगेन आई एम रिमाइंडिंग यू, मैंने कहाँ से लिया है, तो लीना, यू कैन से हियर लीना, अहम अपि, और लास्ट डायलॉग भी लीना का है, और लास्ट वर्ड है उसका विशेषार्हता भवति, दैट आई शोड यू नाउ. सो प्लीज चेक नाउ. Lina, after studying linguistics, I work as an Indian language analyst in the field of software in Bangalore. It is my experience, we can say it is my personal experience, that knowledge of Sanskrit is very helpful for analyzing modern Indian languages. So Lina said this sentence. Then Tanuja, my job is of anchoring. Pronunciation of words is practiced by reciting Sanskrit verses, etc. It enhances the impact in acting and anchoring. Few of us working in the field of performing arts are now studying Sage Bharat's Natya Shastra, that means the magnum opus on dramaturgy. ये इसका मीनिंग है, नाट्य शास्त्र का मीनिंग है द मैग्नम ओपस ऑन ड्रामेटर्जी. नाट्य शास्त्र मीन्स ड्रामेटर्जी. देन समीर से, ओह, many people in foreign countries too are curious to study Indology such as Indian philosophy, yogic science, history, etc. यहाँ पे ये मेंशन नहीं किया कि architectural, etc. There are certain TV channels for the same. Sanskrit experts are required there. My friend works there as the content editor. The lady said, we studied Sanskrit in school, but we never thought that it can be utilized in this way. The gentleman said, true indeed. True indeed. Lina, knowledge of Sanskrit is a special qualification for us in whichever field we are working for livelihood. So it was the translation of this remaining dialogues. Now in the last video, in the next video, we are going to see question answers, additional questions and the questions which are given here in exercise. अभ्यास में जो भी questions दिया है, इसके अलावा भी मैंने questions बनाया है, वो सारे questions मैं डिस्कस करूँगा उत्तर के साथ में नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सो प्लीज़ कीप ऑन वॉचिंग, डू राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस फॉर गेटिंग गुड मार्क्स, बिकॉज आपका मार्क्स आपका मोस्टली मार्क्स जाता है स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स की वजह से. सो अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम सजेस्टिंग यू कि डू राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करो, चेक करवाओ, अपने पेरेंट्स से चेक करवाओ या अपने फ्रेंड से चेक करवाओ या टीचर से चेक करवाओ. और मिस्टेक्स होता है, सो राइट 5 times or 10 times till you are not writing correctly. That only is the way to get good marks or full marks in Sanskrit. Thank you for watching this video, and very soon I am going to upload last video of this chapter.